welcome back to the channel. Today I am at the Vine Grove Fort Knox area facility. It's Wednesday morning, I think. It's been a busy week, so up here me and the operations manager Jimmy are up here and to have some meetings and get some things done, look at trucks. And we don't get to lay eyes on trucks every day because they're up here, but we do have an operations manager, Danny. He runs things up here and keeps things moving for us. So I don't know that anybody's seen my facility up here, so I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough, show everybody what we got up here. So let's do a walkthrough. So first off, we came up here, and while we're building this organization in this area of Kentucky, we found that we were spending a lot of money on lodging. So my wife, Kimberly, she come up here and kind of made us like hotel rooms to where we'd all have a place to stay for managers, even drivers that come up for a day or a week from another facility. They'll come up here and they have a place to stay. The facility has showers, kitchen, 3 sleeping quarters, I guess you could call it. But Kim come up and I'll show you the room. She come up and kind of turned it into what we experience when we go to a hotel. So we have everything we need. Each room has new TVs, new beds. It had a deep cleaning. So that place ain't even awake yet. There's Jimmy looking at him standing there, sneaking.
Thanks,
We get some lights on here. So all the rooms, of course, kind of match. So everybody has a place to call home when they come up here. So we got 3 matching rooms. And this branches off to another section of the facility. This is where the customers will come and handle invoicing or whatever may need to be done. We have a full-time secretary. I guess you'd call it secretary. She's the one that's always here, running things while the drivers are out doing their thing all day long. So she's the she keeps this facility linked to the main facility in Oak Grove, Kentucky. Which the phone systems, which is pretty cool, the phones are now all linked to our cell phones. If we want them that way, we can make calls, accept calls, text, whatever we want to do. And then all she's got to do is pick up and hit a line, and she can be talking to any of the other facilities with just a click of the button. And it's all Wi-Fi, so a lot better than the landline system that we were so accustomed to. This be the main entrance. We still haven't got anything done here as far as photos on the walls. The place is clean though. That's what's important. I got a little rain last night. Used to be a construction company here. I'm sure at one point this place was full. People running around getting things done. Kind of like we are though. I mean, we got people in and out 24 hours, 7 days a week coming through here. This is kind of a little conference room where all of us meet, and Danny and Michael keep track of all the drivers, trucks. Danny's office is in there. He's the operations manager up here. So now we'll go to what I call the older section, because it looks like they built 2 buildings. They updated and added on at a later point. All right, so now we're going to go into the old section, I guess, the original section of the building, which you'll notice that there is a difference. So this branches off. So I'm taking it this was here first. So you got plenty of offices. Thank God it's got a kitchen. Kim done a wonderful job with that. Looks like the old entrance to the building before the new section was built. TV room. Great sound system. So, with the amount of staff and equipment, personnel needed, this is my favorite facility that we have. It's got absolutely everything you need to be self-sufficient. You've always got Jimmy standing around holding the door. It's good to have him there. Now let's go out to the shop, which lighting is horrible. I've ordered all new lighting for it. I've got it. We just keep forgetting to bring it up. So here's the shop. Not much to it, but it is fairly large for us. Our mechanic, Fleet Daddy Stan, he comes up. See, he's right there by the door again. So he'll come up and he'll do maintenance on trucks. They do keep the truck spotless, which I appreciate because of resale value. As a business owner, I worry about resale. So let's see how dirty this truck here is. If he's even got it unlocked. Yeah, he's got it unlocked. So yeah, it's no keys. I guess he's afraid somebody's gonna steal it. But yeah, it's spotless. I'm sure this truck has at least 50, 60, 75, I don't know, 75,000 miles on it. Keep them clean for resale because I don't like to keep them long. I like to keep my trucks at about 2.5 years, of course, with the market. I'm sure you other company owners can understand this. We all faced about a 60 to 65% increase on the pricing of trucks. So at one point, I guess it was 3 years ago, this truck was $107,000 all day long. Any way you look at it. Now we're in the 165, I guess, range for a Freightliner M2 106. But we do get the big boxes because this truck will do everything from roadside assistance to working police contracts, wreck scenes, your everyday roadside assistance. We do AAA. We're with East Central and ACG. Kentucky is East Central, where I'm located. Plenty of room up there. We don't even utilize those offices up there yet. So there's there's a large office and I think a storage area behind it. Of course, these lights gotta go. There's Jimmy's truck, which he needs a new one already. Thing has served us well. It does a lot of miles. A lot of mileage, ain't it?
A lot of driving.
A lot of driving. That's what happens when you have multiple facilities. But yeah, the GMC Canyon fan, it's done well. Of course, we just hop in it and jump to another location. This is battery room only, ain't it?
Yeah.
This
battery
is where
and standing stock of
yeah.
oil.
So this is where the battery program.
It's not coming on for some reason.
No, shut it down.
It's burnt out.
Wow, imagine that. It's probably been burnt out for 3 weeks. So yeah, that's the inside of the building. I think that's the gist of the inside. course, at night, this place is peaceful. It's quiet. We're not using that yet. I don't know what we're going to do with that building. It's fairly large. A lot of property in the back. The company next door, they really expanded. It's nothing fancy. I'm proud of it, what everybody's done up here. Even those that aren't with us as far as employed anymore. Everybody had a hand in getting this place cleaned up to par. It has impressed a lot of people that we have contracts with. This facility has actually gained me contracts. This facility is 3-phase. Not a fan, because 3-phase is, when you have to start fixing things, it's expensive, and we don't need 3-phase. So I'm gonna address that issue at some point. Try to get this. Maybe some of the viewers can explain to me why I might want to stay 3-phase, but I can't for the life of me. They say it's saves money. We're not running anything big. We don't have big welders. We don't have nothing big here. I mean, literally, it's just a technically office space and a place to clean trucks and do some maintenance. Don't see a need for 3-phase, but I could be wrong. So if somebody can explain to me why I need to stay 3-phase, I'll take your advice, because like the central heating and air units, the 3-phase units are crazy expensive here to replace them. But anyway, that's the gist of this location here at Vine Grove, which we cover probably 6+ counties at this facility. So appreciate you watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, support our channel, and travel along our journey with us, because we're always doing something new, and we're growing, and we're adding locations, and there's always something going on. And it's my fault that I haven't been on camera as much as I have anyway. But Michael and Ethan, they do a good job. So anyway, all right, goodbye.